Electoral Commission, I read the chart of March, do duly declare the Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga duly nominated to contest for the position of District Women Member of Parliament, Kamuli District. Congratulations.
Members of the NRM and members of the press, I want to begin by thanking my sponsors, the Honorable Wagage, Honorable Kaima, Honorable Chitume, together with the 20 seconders who are on my nomination form, and all those who have accompanied me. I also want to thank the Chitu who is here, the chairperson of Namutumba District who is here, the chairperson of Moroto who is here, and all those who have come from Busoga and other areas, the people of Kampala who have also accompanied us. Thank you so much for making my nomination so vibrant. I want to thank the NRM party for continued support, and to say I'm also committed to continue. I told you about a number of things that I wanted to act, and I hope that within 2 or 3 years we shall have an international airport so that we are able to have more tourism, more trade, more business on that side of the east. I also talked to you about the Mburamuti, Nakandulo, Iringa, Bukungu Road, and the ferries. I need to see those accomplished. The ships are there, but they are not yet operational. It's something we have been lobbying for the last 30 years. It's almost done, but we want to see it done completely. I talked to you about the nuclear plant, which is in Buyende, and that I wanted to support my people to be able to benefit from the nuclear plant, but also to address the issues of the environment that might affect them, and also their compensation. I also talked to you about the schools and the health centers and all the other work that we have to do, and of course to support the General Manifesto of the NRM, which we shall be launching later this year. So I'm really happy and I'm ready to work. Thank you very much for the support of the people of Uganda. Ndi wano ku kitebe kya NRM Electoral Commission maze okwewandisa okuddamu okuvuganya ku ntebe ya District Women MP ey'e Kamuli. Nebaza nnyo abansembye, Oweekitiibwa Wagage, Oweekitiibwa Kayima, Oweekitiibwa Kitume bamperekeddeko. Nebaza Oweekitiibwa Musaale ali wano, chairman wa Kaliro District ali wano, chairman wa Namutumba ali wano, chairman wa Moroto ali wano, bonna bamperekedde okujja okwewandiisa. Nebaza nnyo n'abantu bange abazze 20 abateese nawo emikono ku foomu yange nabo webali bano. Nebaza abasigadde abatasobodde kujja bonna mbebazizza. Kaakati baga nti waliwo ebintu byenjagala okulaba nga bigwa mu kisanja kino. Ekisookayo okulaba nti Jinja efuna airport eri international ebirenga Ntebe, tusobolenga okutambula nga tuviira okugenda wonna nga twetaaga kufuka olugendo lwavu kujja Ntebe, oyise mu mabira, oyise mu tiyagaasi, oyite mu bibinya and so on. So ekyo kikulu nnyo njagala twagitandikako, naye njagala ndabe nti ezimbiddwa nga ewedde. Ekyokubiri nebaga nti tulina oluguudo lwaffe tubadde tubanja okukola emyaka 3 terunakolebwa, naye emmeeri zetwasaba emmeeri zizatuuka naye tezinatandika kola. Ekyo nakyo njagala kikole kuba kigobye okumala emyaka okuba nayingira mu palimenti mbadde nkigoba, naye kati njagala ndabe nti nakyo kiggwa. Nenjogera ku nsonga ya nuclear plant egenda okubeera e Buyende. Njagala mbeerewo okugaidinga abantu baffe ku nsonga ze compensation, ku nsonga ze environment, n'okulabira ngeri gyenabeera mu ntegekezi, n'okulaba nti essomero lyaffe nasaba President bwe yajja e Buyende namugaa nti tuteekewo essomero enasomera abatunukuliya ku certificate, ku diploma ne degree esooka tusomere Busoga baliko bagenda Soroti okusoma masters. Ekyo nakibisaba era nakyo njagala kibeerewo nga kikolebwa. N'ebirala okwagira okusoma kw'abaana baffe amalwaliro n'ebirala, n'okulaba okuwagira manifesto yaffe ya NRM gye tugenda okulonkinga mu October nga tumaze okulonda presidential candidate. So bannange mwe balinja abantu ba Uganda obwagizi musanyukidde nnyo namu the Central Executive Committee nese abaganda Uganda bakimanyi abasuka mu kimanyi n'abatoona bakimanyi ndiwo Honorable Match and his team to announce the dates for the Central Executive Committee expression of interest. So I'm saying I will be back. As soon as they announce, I will be back. And you'll hear from me. I'm very much in the race. Yes. Why is it very effective, the Central Executive Committee? As you recall, we are the ones who lobbied for that seat. When we used to go to Nambole, we would find that the whole committee is full of men. So we complained, said, no, we want our voice to the Central Executive Committee. So an amendment was made to create one seat for the women at the top. It was us who lobbied. So that's the genesis of that seat. So I have been using it to talk for the programs like the WEB, the children's schools, many of the roads, the PDF. I've been in all those things. So I'm going to continue. So just you just give me your vote, you'll hear the results again.
One of your computers.
I don't think I will talk about that. That's the work of the supervisors here. Because if you are not nominated, then you are not a candidate. If you are not nominated, you are not a candidate. Yes.